Affect versus effect examples. Affect and effect are easy to mix up. In this lesson, you will learn the differences between effect versus effect in English. Using affect. Affect means to influence or to produce a change in something. The affected skin turns red and may blister. Sales did not seem unduly affected. Both buildings were badly affected by the fire. Water supplies and other public utilities were badly affected. The pollution of the forest has seriously affected plant life and, to a lesser extent, wildlife. Farmers and market gardeners have been badly affected by the drought. Trading has been adversely affected by the downturn in consumer spending. The statistics seriously underestimate the number of people affected. It's difficult to quantify how many people will be affected by the change in the law. Protests have been made /registered by many people who would be affected by the proposed changes. The police have provided experts to counsel local people affected by the tragedy. It is too early to say whether insurance premiums will be affected. Using effect. Effect is a noun, and it means the result of a change. So, if an event affects your life, you will feel the event's effect. The effect speaks. The tongue needs not. The snow had a predictable effect on traffic. The letter is to the effect that he will soon arrive. Paddy's words had a startling effect on the children. Her criticisms had the effect of discouraging him completely. The news had an electric effect. One effect of overeating may be obesity. These tragic incidents have had an immediate effect. My father's death had a profound effect on us all. Kindly notify us when this is put into effect. Tolstoy's experiences of war had a profound effect on his work.